Go in your castle.
There's Velcro on this, so I'm not sure where the Velcro goes.
The Velcro is at the bottom to keep it closed, and then.
There you go. Sawyer, you want to go inside your castle? Sawyer, look. Look. Your castle. This is your house.
You want to drive your big trucks inside the castle?
Look, Sawyer, this is your house. We're going there.
Go drive your big truck inside. You can go get it.
Go in, Sawyer. That's your house. Do you like your house, Sawyer? Well, if you don't go in there, Daddy's gonna go in there. This is Sawyer's house. Sawyer's house.
Out.
Sawyer's house.
Dada.
Sawyer, do you want to go in your house?
Can you like roll it up and tie it with those little strings there?
I can, yes.
Yeah, you don't have to hold it.
Dada. Boo. Dada. Boo. Dada. Mama.
Yeah, that's Dada's. Let's put it up here. I'll put it right there, okay?
Right there.
Right there.
Dada.
Dada's glass goes right there.
Dada.
It's right there. Dada's gonna get in your house if you don't.
Sawyer.
Green.
Sawyer, look at your house. Look at your house.
Green.
Do you like your house?
What?
It's your house.
Green. Green.
Do you want to go in your house?
No.
In the box.
I'm going. Mama going.
Come here, come here.
Sawyer,
Come
Sawyer,
this way.
Come with Dada.
Come here.
I'm here.
Come on.
I'm here. I'm here.
Here, open this. Here, open this. To Sawyer
Do it.
from Uncle, Aunt, and Vicky. Sawyer, here. No, Sawyer, Sawyer,
I
no,
do.
no, come here.
I boo.
Sawyer, look.
I boo.
Light pole.
I boo there.
Yeah,
Okay.
we built a pole out of the yogurt containers. There's a star on top.
I boo.
There you go. It's right here. Oh, what's that? Wow. Planes and other things.
Big truck. Big truck. Big truck. Big
It
truck.
does have big trucks. It has a big truck, a choo-choo train, motorcycle, airplane, ambulance, and boat. Big truck. Oop. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Did we find out what this one did?
Big truck.
Let's see what this one does.
Moving.
Tape over this. It's on your foot.
Do.
There's lots of books.
Smart Cat Library. Ooh. Lots of books.
We.
You'll love this. Wow, we have to figure out how to use Figure out what we do to turn it on. Yeah, I bet I have to go get scissors.
Ooh. Where's A, Sawyer? Where's A? And where's A? Where's A? Ooh.
Hey. Can I cut it off the card? Let me see. Let's take it off here. Ooh.
Who gave us this one?
Ragu and Kelsey.
Nice.
Oh, there are animals and stuff on the back. Look at that. Moon? There's a moon.
What letter does K start with?
Wow. Rooster? Press that one. Ooh. Yeah. Just a little bit. Or back closer to him. Let's see.
I'm pretty hungry. I'm really hungry. I'm about food.
Okay. Let's stop it.
Sawyer, look at this. Look at this. That is the best.
I love it.
What?
I guess the books go with it. Like when you read through the book, you use it in combination. Hello.
Is that a
That's
phone?
a big phone you
Big
have.
phone.
Big phone. It's good. It plays music. It's fun. Hello. Are you calling me on the big phone? Big phone. Can you play another song? Is there another song on there? You want to open that one? Let's see what that one is. That one's from Grandma. Can you play the moon? Play the moon. Can you play the moon? Ooh. Mom and Dad, I need to open this one for you. Let's see what this is. This is from Grandma. I got a bracelet. That was from my granddad. My great granddad. Jewelry. Yep, that's jewelry. Came out of the little box. Jewelry. And this is for you from Grandma. It looks like some nice artwork. Nice song. Are there other songs? Ooh, wow, alligator. Tiger. Is that the owl? What does the owl say? That's a mouse. Swear you have another beautiful painting. Yeah, I see. Get out the other one too. Put them together. Pretty? It's in Grandma.
Hawaii.
Yeah. It's a horizon.